Hello everyone, StylesbyLailani is here bringing you the natural styles of life. And today we on step 2, part 2, okay, of soap making. The first part was just me melting my oils and butters. This part will be me coloring and putting the fragrance in my cold process soap. We are making an all natural soap where we will be using all natural colors. Alfalfa powder is an all natural colorant. Green French clay is a all natural colorant. And we are also going to use rose kaolin clay for a colorant. We are using essential oils for our fragrance to scent it. I'm just going to show you an example of a fragrance oil. This here is a fragrance oil which just scents the soap. It's not an essential oil which heals and do essential things for the body. So I just want to break that down. Make sure you like this video. Comment down below if you make soap or if you want me to make a soap for you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can be notified whenever I drop the cut to this beauty. Okay? So we're going to start separating our soap batter. Enough of the talking. Let's get to working. Let's go. Okay. Let's not spill it today, Janine. Okay. Let's try to get it all in our containers today. Yeah, y'all know I spill it. Y'all knows I spill it. So this soap is an all natural soap. Our base will be white. So let's put a little bit more in our first container. We kind of want to get it even. Let's get this off the sides. Let me get a napkin, y'all. When I tell you it feel like I be using a whole roll of napkins during a soap making process, I am not lying. Okay, I am not lying, y'all. So I'm just scraping off the sides, getting all of the extra soap from the sides. Because if you forget to do that, the soap will basically stay there. And you will, when you start to pour your soap, all that extra that's on the sides will get into the soap. Meaning that all of it is not incorporated in there. So you have to scrape your sides. Now we're going to start putting our colors in. This will be white, so it's not really a rush for that. I'm going to mix the French green clay and some alfalfa powder for my own reasons. Okay, I'm trying to achieve a color. And French green clay is actually more like a muddy, grayish type. And alfalfa green is green. Alfalfa powder is green. And that's, I really want the green. So, and both of these are really, really amazing for the skin, y'all. So, alfalfa powder, rose kaolin clay, and French green clay are all used in face masks and other things. So, other body products, skincare products, I should say. So I'm going to go ahead and whisk this up with my spatula. So you usually go from lightest to darkest, darkest to lightest. So let's go whisk this up. I'm actually whisking it before I stick blend it because I just kind of want to break down the chunks, encourage them to break down all the way and help them out a little bit. Okay. And we're going going to do the same with our rose, kale, and clay. So okay, y'all, I kind of wanted to like be streaky, so and this is our white portion. Give me 1 second, y'all. Okay, y'all, so we're going to add our fragrance oil. I mean our essential oil. We don't want it to rise on top, so we're just hurrying up and giving it a stir. Give this one a stir as well. Essential oils actually make your soap trace faster than you really want it to. So we're going to move fast with this one now. Now that we have already poured our essential oils in. Now we're going to go in with our stick blender. Okay, so we're going to pour our white in first into our molds. Scoot that over so you can see. Hold on. Go ahead and start pouring our base in there, which is going to be this white portion. Y'all know I can make a mess, but I'm going to clean it up. Okay, let's get all of our white into these molds, y'all. You always want to scrape it, like I say. No soap left behind. And we finna get right started with our remaining two colors. Like so. Then you want to clean up all the loose soap you have around here. Let's clean it all up. Okay. Scoot this to the side. Now we're going to stick blend these two. See, y'all, our green already getting thick on us. Green getting thick, y'all. Red getting thick too, but we gotta hurry up, y'all. This portion we finna move a little bit fast, okay? Scoop these back down. Starting my reel, y'all. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with our red Uh-oh. Look at me, y'all. Okay, y'all see this? I always make a mess. It never fails. Go in with our green. Go in with our red again. Go in with our green. Do y'all literally see what big mess I just made here? Do you see? Get this back. Okay, so we're gonna bang it down to make sure we remove any air bubbles. Go in with a straight something and do your figure eights or however you want to do it. Bang it down again. And we're gonna fill it back up with our red, y'all. Y'all already know I'm getting out the rest of all of my container. So I'm gonna go in with my chopstick and basically like even this out a little bit. Because right now it's all chopped up on here. And we just want to even it all out. Y'all see it, right? Y'all see it? It's cute, huh? So we're going to texture up this soap top real quick. Okay. I am done playing with it. Okay. So we'll be back tomorrow so y'all can see the cuts. Bye.